Hello, my name is Gwawr Meirion and I'm the author of a new report from Estyn on how initial teacher education partnerships support student teachers to improve their Welsh language skills, including teaching through the medium of Welsh. This is particularly relevant as we consider the Welsh Government's plans to realise 1 million Welsh speakers by 2050. Our report draws on findings from ITE inspections and thematic visits. Visits to partnerships included discussions with leaders and tutors and school visits where we spoke to mentors, groups of students and visited lessons. In addition, we compiled questionnaires for students and newly qualified teachers. The report considers how ITE partnerships support the development of student teachers' personal Welsh skills and how subject and phase-specific sessions support students to develop their understanding of how teaching can support pupils to improve their Welsh language skills. In addition, we considered the support for students during their school experiences. The report outlines strengths and areas for improvement. It also provides a range of cameos and infographics that draw together examples of effective practice to help partnerships and schools consider how they can develop their provision. Recommendations from the report include the need for ITE partnerships to plan purposeful opportunities to develop students' Welsh language skills and teaching in all aspects of the programme to make sure the support is consistent. Overall, we saw that the support for the development of students' Welsh language skills, including teaching, is too variable. Thank you to all that participated in the report, and I hope you find it interesting and helpful. Diolch.